Hello dear children, in this video now learn how to calculate mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median for various type of data. So first we learn how to calculate mean deviation for ungrouped data. Okay, first we learn mean deviation for ungrouped data. Clear? So let n observation, let n observations x1, x2, x3 dash 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 x1 is given. Okay, so the following steps are involved. The following steps are involved in the calculation for mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. Okay, so we have the following steps involved to calculate mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. Okay, so first step to find mean or median means to find the central tendency, means to calculate measure of central tendency about which we are find the mean or mean deviation. Okay, in first step to calculate measure of central tendency means mean or median, this is the first step to find mean or median. In second step to find the deviation each of the observation. Okay, to find the deviation. Okay, means to find x1. Suppose the mean or median, a fixed number comes a. Okay, a. So find x1 a, comma x2 a, dash 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 xn a. In next step means step third, to find the absolute. Okay, to find the absolute value of the deviation. To find the absolute value of the deviation means x1 a, comma x2 a, dash 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 xn a. To find the absolute value of the deviation. Now in last step, means step 4, find the absolute value, find the mean of the absolute value of the deviation. Find the mean. Okay, in fourth step, find the mean of the absolute value of the deviation. Find the mean of the absolute value of the deviation means mean deviation about a is equal to I equal to 1 to n. This is x. This is xi minus a divided by n. In fourth step, we had to find mean of the mean deviation of absolute value. Means sigma I 1 to n mod xi minus a upon n. Okay, and this is also written as mean deviation about median. Okay, MD, mean deviation about median means x bar equal to x I equal to 1, x I minus x bar divided by n, where x bar is mean. Okay, so this is called mean deviation about mean. We use the formula when to calculate mean deviation about mean. And second, mean deviation about m means sigma I equal to 1 to n xi minus m divided by n. This is where m equal to median. So by using the formula mean deviation, by using the formula this, okay, we calculate mean deviation about median where m equal to median. Okay, so now let us move on. Exercise 15.1. We have to solve exercise 15.1 by using the formula mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median for ungrouped data. Okay. Okay children, now I am going to solve exercise 15.1 question number 1 and 2nd. So in this question it has been said that find the mean deviation about mean for the data. Okay, so first data is given 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. Okay, so first find its mean. Okay, mean of the data. First part, mean means x bar. We know how to find the mean, sum of observation upon total number of observation. So this is 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 divided by total number of observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and sum of all observation is 80. 80 divided by 8 is equal to 10. Okay, divided by 8 which is equal to 10. So we have find out its mean 10. Now make a table for the mean deviation. This is x I and second x I x bar mod. Okay, this is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. Okay, 4 minus 10 which is equal to 6. Next 7 minus 10 which is equal to 3. Mod 8 minus 10 which is equal to 2, and 9 minus 10 which is equal to 1, and next 10 mod 10 0, and mod 12 minus 10 equal to 2, mod 13 minus 10 equal to 3, and mod 17 minus 10 equal to 7. Okay, now find the sum of the deviation, means sum of 6, 3, 2, 1, 0, 8, 0, 2, 3, 7. So to get me after adding all the deviation 24. Okay, is equal to 24. So we know the formula mean deviation about mean, MD x bar equal to sum of deviation from 1 to 8 x I minus x bar divided by total number of observation means n. So sum of deviation is 24 divided by number of deviation 8, which is equal to 3. Okay, mean deviation about mean. So mean deviation about mean is 3. Okay, and similarly find mean deviation of mean of the second question. Okay, so dear children, first find the mean of the given observation means mean x bar means 38 plus 70 plus 48 plus 40 plus 42 plus 55 plus 63 plus 46 plus 54 plus 44 divided by number of observation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, divided by 10. Okay, then sum of the observation is equal to 500. 500 divided by 10, which is equal to 50. So mean of the given observation is 50. Now find deviation from the mean. Okay, so this is xi and mod xi x bar is 38 70 48 40 42 55 63 46 54 44. Then mod 38 minus 50. Next 70 minus 50. Next mod 48 minus 50. Next mod 40 minus 40. Mod 42 minus 40. Next mod 55 minus 40. Okay, this is not 40 50 50 50 50. And next mod 63 minus 50. Mod 46 minus 50 minus 54 minus 50. And next mod 44 minus 50. 38 minus 50, which is equal to 2 1 12. Okay, so this is 12 20 2 10 2 10. Next minus 8 5 8 5 13 8 5 13 8 5 13 4 4 6 4 4 6. Okay, this is 4 4 6. Now find the sum of the deviation means 12 plus 20 plus 2 plus 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 20 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. So after adding all the deviation to get me sigma I equal to 1 to 10 xi xy equal to 84. Okay, 84. So mean deviation about mean equal to sigma I equal to 1 x I x bar divided by n. So this is 84 divided by 10 equal to 8.4. Okay, so dear children, this is the mean deviation about mean 8.4. Okay, so this is required solution of question number 1 and second of exercise 15.1. I hope this is clear after watching my video. Okay.